In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide email recipients in Gmail. This simple yet effective skill is incredibly useful for maintaining privacy and professionalism, especially if you're emailing multiple people and don't want them to see each other's addresses. Let's dive in and explore the process step by step, ensuring that you have all the information you need to execute this with confidence. First, you'll want to start by opening your Gmail account. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple email addresses. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the Compose button in the top left corner of the screen to begin drafting a new email. This will open a new window where you typically start crafting your message. In the new message window, you'll notice a field labeled To. Usually, you would enter your recipients' email addresses here. However, when you want to hide their email addresses from one another, we're going to use a handy feature called BCC, which stands for Blind Carbon Copy. To find the BCC field, look to the right of where you would normally enter recipient email addresses. You'll see the words CC and BCC. Click on BCC. Now, in that BCC field, you can safely enter all the email addresses of the recipients you wish to contact. Since these addresses are in the BCC field, they will remain hidden from each other when the email is sent. This ensures privacy for all parties involved and is particularly useful for group emails where the contacts aren't meant to know each other's details. Once you've added your recipients, move forward by composing the email as you normally would. It's important to keep in mind the tone and content of your message, ensuring it's clear and relevant to all recipients. After you have finished writing your message, cross-check it thoroughly. Double-check that all the email addresses are correctly entered and that you haven't accidentally placed any in the To or CC fields if you intend for them to remain private. Finally, after ensuring your email is accurately addressed and reviewing your message content one last time, you can confidently hit the Send button. By sending your email in this manner, you've successfully maintained the privacy of your recipients. Remember, using the BCC function is not only about privacy, but also about professionalism, especially when communicating with a large group. I hope this walkthrough has made the process more straightforward for you. Practice a few times, and soon enough, it'll become a seamless part of your email routine. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tips.